In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an audio or music audio spectrum. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Step 1. Open up a new tab and type in your search engine or browser, Adobe After Effects Download. And then click enter. And once it has been loaded, there are a list of different websites or options to choose from, but you want to go to the main one or the Adobe website right here and click on it, either the first or the second option. And you have the option once it has loaded to start and get a free 7-day trial, or you can even purchase it directly from their website. Once Adobe After Effects CC has been loaded and open, locate and drag the audio piece for this example. The next step is to click the second or the first option right here, new composition, on the left hand screen, and then click OK. And while it's still selected and highlighted, select your audio piece. You want to go to the fourth option here on the top screen and click layer, new, and click the second option which says solid. And in this case, you can mess around with the settings and then click OK. The next step is once your dark gray solid is still selected or highlighted, go under to the fifth option on the top screen and click effects and scroll down until you see the option generate. And then click the third option right here, audio spectrum. And as you can see on the timeline, if we scroll, we don't have anything yet. So this has to be applied to our music or audio piece, and under the effects control panel. And with your dark gray solid still selected, go to the right or to the fourth option on audio layer and click the drop down arrow and click and select your music or audio piece. Now, as you can see, you have successfully created an audio spectrum piece in Adobe After Effects CC completely for free. If you're happy and satisfied with the result, you can even export this. Go to the top left hand screen and click the first option and scroll down until you see the option export. And you have 4 different options, but I'm going to click the second option. In this case, you can change the settings and you can change the output. And once you're happy or satisfied, go to the right hand screen and click render. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.